This is Lost World Studios presenting Planet Cygnus.
Crash landed on a destroyed corporate planet, players use the remains of the previous civilization to escape by harnessing the planet's innate power source. Use the planet's strange pollutant energy source to reactivate long-dormant technology to escape from the planet and defend yourself from the threats of this hostile world. Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Tokars. I'm a member of Team 1 and a capstone student in Sheridan's game design program. Our team consists of 6 members, including myself, Alexander DiCarlo, Connor Dobin, Eric Cousins, Patricio Seals Villegas, and Sean York Zornfawcett. I'll be your voiceover for this presentation, showcasing Planet Cygnus, a sci-fi 3D isometric action puzzle game. The purpose of the game is to critique the practices of monopolist corporations with regards to environmental destruction, human exploitation, and unsustainable business practices. The team is aiming to portray these themes in a packaged gameplay experience that is both engaging to interact with and sends a critical message to our audience. Any and all feedback from this presentation is appreciated and will be taken into consideration, and possibly implemented. Thank you in advance, and let's begin. The minimum viable product version of our game includes 2 stages. The first stage offers a series of story-driven sequences, while the second serves as a basic, yet to be fully designed, tutorial, showcasing the main puzzle mechanics. The game incorporates a preliminary version of the energy system, complete with its user interface components. It also includes a flexible AI system managed by an AI coordinator, which ensures balanced interaction among various enemies. In this vertical slice of the game, the main objective for the player is to recover from a spaceship crash. During this recovery, they uncover a device capable of harnessing the planet's unique energy resource. This discovery enables them to channel energy into the planet's forgotten technology, thereby activating long-dormant mechanisms. Players will strategically manage their energy reserves, directing power to different conduits. By doing so, they can operate the old corporation's technology, creating a path that leads them towards safety and progression in the game. Energy serves as a versatile in-game currency, enabling players to engage with and shape their environment. This energy is managed through a battery system, where players possess a limited number of battery cells that can exist in 3 distinct states. The traditional WASD control scheme is used for player movement within the 3D isometric viewpoint. Combat control scheme utilizes point and shoot mouse controls, with the left click allowing the player to fire their weapon, and the right click being used for a melee attack. Players can use the interact input, which in this case is the E key, which will insert a battery cell into a game object. If a battery cell is already inside of a game object, the same interact input can be used to take the cell out. Hollow Knight's soul, energy, and spell system were a major inspiration for the act of acquiring resources through the combat system and expanding said resource. In Cygnus, this is represented of the energy system. From an indie game named Tunic, we've taken major inspiration from its camera perspective and accompanying level layout, as well as its melee combat. And lastly, another indie title named Void Bastards. We plan to work towards their style of cell shading aesthetic, for a simple, clean, but visually pleasing look to the game. This year has been absolutely great for Team 1. We've made progress that we are extremely proud of, and will continue to move forward with this momentum. The focus of the first half of our development was going tall. We wanted to define and implement our core systems and have the foundations of our game set. Our plan for the second half of development is to go wide. We plan to adopt an agile methodology, dividing our team into 2 separate groups. One group will concentrate on refining existing systems, while the others will focus on introducing new features. We aim to establish a pipeline process for adding new levels, each featuring distinct puzzle elements, with the objective of completing 2 to 3 levels. Following the completion of these levels, we will allocate approximately 1.5 months for final polishing of any remaining systems. We greatly appreciate the opportunity to share this project with you, and we look forward to any feedback or insights you may have. Once again, thank you very much.